Wakey, wakey, my dear queen-to-be.
Who would have thought a woman with no trace of wolf would turn out to be in the Lichen King's daughter?
That ring. Where did you get it? That's my father's. He would never allow you to.
Oh, your father. You know, he didn't think I was worthy enough to be an Alpha King. That is, until he was begging me for his life.
No. No. No, 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 no.
You know, I'm curious, how long do you think your human Luna mother can endure torture?
Lucius, I should have never helped you become the alpha of the Phantom Pack.
Aww. Do you not love me anymore? You know, I think Stephanie tried to warn you, didn't she? But you didn't believe her. Not even for a minute. You just sent them all to hell.
Can we just end this already? I'm tired of being your secretary.
All right, my Luna.
Why did you save me?
Save you? You fool. Your savior is over here.
What?
And you will never know who it is.
Just be with you.
Eric. The most powerful Alpha King? Trying to join the woman that you've been secretly protecting.
We've successfully targeted Eric's group. Waiting for your orders. You okay?
Stephanie, you're alive? What day is it?
It's Tuesday, November 13th, a big day for Lucius.
3 months ago.
You really are out of it. Be sure to rest after this corporate takedown.
Corporate takedown.
The Peak Group shares dropped a sharp 50% in price, resulting in a corporate takeover. This also means a significant blow to the influence of Eric, the Alpha King of Phantom Pack.
Congratulations on finally facing off with Eric.
Oh, well, this is just the beginning.
Haven't you secured the Alpha position at the Phantom Pack?
Eric is ruthless. If I don't crush him, not only the Phantom Pack, but the entire werewolf and human races might fall prey to him.
I didn't think you would do such a thing.
Trust me, my love. I know my brother. And isn't peace between all werewolves and humans our common goal? Everything I do for humans. Especially you.
If it weren't for me, Lucius would never have succeeded in his corporate takedown.
With his lousy plan, he'll never be king.
You're right. He's scum. I've been deceived by him for way too long.
Unbelievable. My Alpha's back.
I'll tear down every one of his disguises.
Beta Stephanie, at your service. Forever. So, what's the new plan?
I need to make sure nothing happens to Eric. Let's go to the Peak Group.
Lucius will be there waiting for Eric to sign the shares transfer contract.